guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. So I recently received the L'Oreal Unbelieva Brow from Influencer, so I thought I would hop on my channel, make a quick video to tell you all about this, to see if it works, if it doesn't work, if it, you know, is worth the $16.99 that it is valued in the store. So if you are interested to see how this product works, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so to jump right into this, I've already done my foundation. I used the Kat Von D Lock-It foundation, and this is, although it is like a very good match for my skin, it is showing up like unbelievably yellow today, and I don't really know what that's about, but we will roll with it. I always like to do my foundation before I do my eyebrows, which is why I did that off camera, because this is an eyebrows video. So I got this compliments of Influencer. Thank you, Influencer. It is the L'Oreal Unbelieva Brow, and it is their long wear brow gel. So this is the packaging. This is the actual tube of product, and what you get is the tube of product and a little like spoolie brush mix. They sent me the color Dark Brunette 575. The box says, brows that last, 93% agreed has good wear, 82% agreed resists a workout in a consumer test. It's supposed to be waterproof, smudge-proof, transfer-proof, sweat-proof, or sweat-resistant. So this is supposed to be like the brow product of all brow products. The back of the box says 2-minute application, lightly apply product in to fill in sparse areas, use the angled brush to outline and define the brow shape and arches with feather-like strokes, and then to finish, comb through the brow with a spoolie. To remove, use an oil-based cleanser. For long wear, avoid cleansing products in the brow area. I have used this once before. They're saying that this is actually supposed to be like a 48 or 72 hour wear brow, which is like crazy to me. The applicator itself is a doe foot applicator, which like I am not too like thrilled about, only because I don't necessarily have sparse areas. I have like a whole section of brow on top that I need to like fill in with hair-like strokes. So the applicator to me is not very amazing. Like, I'm not a big fan of this doe foot applicator. However, if you already have a really good shape to your eyebrow, I could see how like just combing it through would kind of work out for you. So that's what we're going to do. We are going to test this product out right now, and I am going to use the spoolie end, like it says on the box, the spoolie, and kind of like, not the spoolie, the doe foot applicator, and kind of like run it through my eyebrows and then use the brush. Oh, but it's like, it's just thick with the doe foot. Okay, that wasn't like too bad. It does look like unbelievably blocky. Now I'm just gonna comb it through a little bit. And then I'm gonna kind of go back in with the angled brush that it gave me. So that is one eyebrow done. On camera, I mean, obviously, like, on camera it looks really bold, and it actually does look really nice in person, too. It's just, I mean, it is a little bit more, like, block or bold than I would have anticipated it. Dark Brunette is also probably a lighter color than I might have chosen in the store. I don't know if it comes in a darker or lighter color. Let me look online to see what it all is and isn't. Okay, on Ulta.com, this retails for $16.99. That's a lot. And there are 5 colors: blonde, light brunette, brunette, dark brunette, and black. I probably would not have used the black. The dark brunette is a good choice. So yeah, 5 colors, $16.99. That, I don't know how much product you get in here. What is this? 0.15 fluid ounces, or 4.5 milliliters. So I mean, like, obviously this is a large tube of brow product. Like, I don't think you're ever going to actually use this much brow product. I'm going to do this other brow really quickly. And I think I'm going to not actually use this doe foot. I think I'm just going to end up using the angled brush and see if that gives me any different application. Okay, so it gave me, I just used the brush, the angled brush. It did give me a little bit of like a lighter application. I did go a little high. I can hopefully clean that up with concealer. I'm going to go let them set for a minute because I felt this one getting like a little tacky. So I'm going to go finish the rest of my face, let those set, and then kind of come back with some final thoughts about what I feel about this product, if it's worth the $16.99, if it isn't, and we will kind of go from there. Okay guys, I took incredibly too much time doing my makeup and my foundation is breaking apart everywhere. Like, you can see pores all over the place. But this is not a foundation video. This is an eyebrow video. So this is what the eyebrows look after they've been cleaned up with concealer and the rest of the face is done. They are a little like crunchy. So like when they say this is a gel and it sets, like it sets. Like they are a little tight, they are a little crunchy. They are not budging though, like at all. Like nothing is on my finger. So that's really, really great. I'm just gonna like spoolie my actual hair back. So yeah, they are budge proof. I don't know so much about waterproof. I'll actually probably put a little clip in at the end of this video of me washing my face tonight and like show you how waterproof they really are, because I actually am going somewhere tonight for Christmas. So, or for the Christmas season, I should say, the holiday season, I'm going somewhere. So I don't really want to like splash water on my face right now, but I will at the very end of this video be like, is it waterproof? So yeah, I mean, it's not necessarily a bad brow product. For $16.99, I think that's a little expensive for this. If you're a swimmer or if you're always in water or even in the summer, I think that the Unbelieva Brow would be an amazing product for you. However, I mean, if it is waterproof. However, if you're just like an average lady getting ready for work every single day, this is a little complicated and it needs a lot of precision to make it look really nice. You can't just take this doe foot applicator and be like, swipe, swipe, oh look, my brows are done. Because the formula, it being gel, the formula is a little difficult to work with on the doe foot applicator, and if you aren't careful, it does kind of like clump up. So you have to be a little careful using the doe foot, but with an angled brush it went on really nicely and kind of lighter. As you can see on this eyebrow, it looks a little bit more like natural versus this one that looks a little more block-like. And maybe it just looks block-like to me because I'm used to using a powder. $16.99, you can find it at Ulta, 5 different color options. I will link the product below if you are interested in purchasing this. Thank you to Influencer for sending this to me so that I can try it out and I can review it. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, give a big old thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. Have you tried the Unbelieva Brow? Have you tried other brow products? What is your favorite eyebrow product out there? I want to know. Let me know everything in the comment section below. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another review or tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, guys. It's definitely waterproof.